In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wave Accounting Review. Is this right for your small business? If you're searching for simple, affordable accounting software, you've likely come across Wave. But is it actually good enough for real bookkeeping in 2026? By the end of this review, you'll understand its features, pricing, pros, cons, and who it's best for, so you can decide with confidence. Wave Accounting is a cloud-based platform built with freelancers, solopreneurs, and small businesses in mind. It became popular because many of its core tools are available at no cost, letting you manage essential bookkeeping without paying upfront. The interface is designed for non-accountants so you can get up and running quickly without a steep learning curve. Let's walk through what it offers. Wave includes unlimited invoicing, expense tracking, estimates and quotes, customer management, financial reporting, receipt scanning, and support for online payments. Invoicing is a standout. You can create professional invoices, set them to recur on a schedule, accept payments online, and send automated reminders for late payments. For service-based businesses, those automations save real time and help cash flow. Wave also lets you connect your bank accounts. With the Pro plan, transactions can be imported automatically, which significantly reduces manual data entry. Reporting is another strong area for small teams. You'll find profit and loss statements, balance sheets, expense breakdowns, sales tax reports, and cash flow summaries ready to generate, which simplifies tax preparation and day-to-day performance checks. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, so most users can find what they need without digging through menus. Pricing is one of Wave's biggest advantages. The free starter plan includes unlimited invoices, expense tracking, estimates, core bookkeeping tools, and customer management. For many freelancers and small businesses, that may cover the essentials. If you need more automation, the Pro plan, priced at around $190 per year, adds automatic bank imports, smart expense categorization, unlimited receipt scanning, automated late payment reminders, and enhanced payment features. Compared with platforms like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, Wave remains one of the most affordable options in 2026. On the plus side, Wave is budget-friendly, easy to use, and offers time-saving automations. It's especially good for freelancers and service businesses focused on invoicing and basic bookkeeping. On the downside, its reporting is more limited than advanced tools like QuickBooks Online or Xero. Inventory features are minimal for e-commerce needs, and there are fewer deep integrations. Growing companies with complex accounting may eventually outgrow it. So is Wave right for your small business? If you value simplicity and low cost, absolutely consider it. If you need advanced inventory, heavy automation, or enterprise-level reporting, plan for a more robust system later. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, subscribe, and check out our other accounting software tutorials and comparisons.